Electric the Volkswagen way. This is the brand new Volkswagen ID.3, which is new for 2023. But what's new about it? Well, let's go and find out. Let's start things off with the exterior, and in particular the front. Well, this is probably where it's most noticeable, the change. You've got the sharper, redesigned front bonnet, which is really sleek, and it flows into the IQ LED matrix headlights, which look absolutely phenomenal, and they provide ultimate visibility throughout a wide range of driving conditions. And if you go further down, you've got the redesigned front bumper too, with this pinched crease in the front bumper, and you've also got a real air inlet there, which is a really nice touch. The even better design doesn't stop at the front either. It carries on with that sleek, sporty side profile with the highlighted DLO, which runs into the integrated rear spoiler, and of course you've also got rear privacy glass, which is perfect for your backseat passengers. Lower down you've got the dynamic lower door sill trim, and of course these 19-inch multi-spoke alloys. But all the alloys are a matter of choice, and there are plenty to choose from, such as the Wellington and the Sanya. And onto the rear design, while it looks just as good as the previous model, you've got the integrated roof spoiler, along with the continued rear privacy glass, highlighted ID.3 badging, and the new redesigned rear tail light clusters with dynamic turn signals, which is a really nice touch. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments down below. Onto the charging now, and while there are two different models to choose from, this is the Pro with the 58 kilowatts, and you can also have the Pro S with the 77 kilowatts, which also gives you that increased range. But this one on an AC current at 11 kilowatts will give you a charge time to 100% in around 6 hours and 15 minutes. The Pro S version will take around 7.5 hours. Of course though, you can use the DC current, which will greatly reduce the charging times. The interior of the brand new Volkswagen ID.3 is actually really spacious despite its compact dimensions. With the new model, you've got new surfaces on the dash and throughout the whole cabin, and it all uses recyclable materials and without using any animal products, which is really nice. And with the newer models, you can option new electric seats, which can also have a massage function, giving you the ultimate relaxability in your vehicle. The rear interior reflects that of the front. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's plenty of space here. I'm 6'2" for reference, and there's plenty of headroom and leg room for me. There's a centre armrest with space for 2 cup holders. You've got all the recycled non-animal materials used throughout, and integrated ISOFIX points too, so it's perfect for child seat fixings. As for the infotainment system, well, you've still got the familiar 10-inch colour touchscreen display, which is really responsive and super easy to use. You can even control it via your hand, which is really cool. It's packed full of functions such as navigation. You've also got DAB radio stations and Bluetooth connectivity. You can also view the remaining charge, which for this model, which is the Pro, will give you a full charge of 266 miles, which is plentiful for everyday use. Now onto the driving position. Well, you've got a full digital instrument cluster still, which gives you all the data you need to get you to your next destination safely, and you've also got the unique gear selector to the right. You've got a multifunctional steering wheel providing functions such as cruise control and voice activation, which if you say to the car, "Hi ID," it will automatically come up and you can give whatever command you want, and the system will automatically present it to you. And there's still plenty of boot space, but that's to be expected. For any further information on the brand new Volkswagen ID.3, please head to our website. I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can find out all the relevant details. Furthermore, you can also arrange a test drive to experience the new model for yourself. Until then, see you next time.